Hello and welcome. Every week we feature an existing shipping container house from around the world. Welcome to today's featured house of the week. In this video we feature a compact shipping container home built from three 20-foot shipping containers in Victoria, Australia. Stay tuned for a comprehensive tour of this phenomenal home. Welcome back. This beautiful home belongs to a young couple who are avid travelers, frequently visiting family and friends across the world. The couple wanted a house that is affordable, efficient, and one with a small footprint to complement their dynamic lifestyle. The home is built using three 20-foot shipping containers linked by two connectors which function like little corridors and utility spaces, creating a 50 square meter modern home. The middle container is staggered to the front to create some dynamism in the floor plan layout. The couple have employed some impressive small space design techniques which has created a tremendous amount of living space as well as storage while keeping the home open and spacious. Each of the three containers is dedicated to a specific function in the home. From the outdoor deck, the timber-framed sliding glass doors offer unrestricted access into the home. The first container accommodates a dining space just a few feet from the main entrance that can seat up to 6, and an open L-shaped kitchen at the extreme end of the container. The kitchen is modern, sleek, and fully furnished. The kitchen counters are built in crisp white with adequate overhead and under-the-counter storage. The kitchen is equipped with big white fridge to complement the cabinetry. The stainless steel appliances make this kitchen an ideal haven for the couple to prepare their tasty meals. The white tiled backsplash makes the kitchen functional and easy to clean. The middle container accommodates the living room and a small home office for Richard and Amy. A wood stove on one side of the living room keeps the home warm during cold weather. The lounge is furnished with a custom-made L-shaped lounge seat that makes maximum use of the space. The space is well lit with a full-height glass window. The first and the middle shipping containers are linked by a connector which functions like little corridor. Which functions like a little corridor between the two containers, and in addition it's a utility space for the laundry and ironing space in the home. The utility space is lockable in similarly wide folding doors to mask any noise from the washing machine. The second linkage, which accommodates the wardrobe and a bookshelf, connects the middle container to the third container, which houses the bedroom and the bathroom. The bedroom is furnished with an elevated custom bed with full-depth storage shelves underneath. The bathroom is also surprisingly big for such a tiny house. It's a full bathroom with several nib walls and full-height white tiling throughout. To lose the reference of floor, wall, and ceiling, plywood is used as an interior lining to increase the amplitude of the interior space. To introduce some contrast, all the cabinetry and storage are finished in white to contrast the plywood backdrop. The floor is given a sleek wooden finish to give the house a clean, modern look. From the outside, it's almost hard to imagine that this house is constructed from shipping containers. The staggered pattern of the containers has created a striking architectural look to the home, and the exterior cladding hides almost all the evidence of the shipping containers that form the house. The floating roof, which provides shade for the home and helps to keep it cool in summer months, is filled with solar panels which generate a good portion of the energy the family needs. Rainwater is collected from the roof and stored in two large tanks situated behind the home. The structure features timber-framed pivot windows that encourage cross-ventilation, so no artificial heating or cooling is required, and it boasts a 7.1-star energy rating, meaning no huge energy bills. If there is anything this small house managed to create in a big way is lots of storage in almost all custom-made furniture. Instead of buying furniture, the couple worked with a local cabinet maker to combine furniture with inbuilt storage. The couple worked on the home after hours and on weekends, and the project took just 5 months all together. It costs approximately $145,000. The kitchen is our favorite space of the house. Which part of this amazing tiny home appeals to you the most? Give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, we also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below.